Shongknor ka Iingdorbar Thaw Ain ka Meghalaya Thomas A Sangma ula le jngoh ya ka Iingdorbar Bathymmai Mawdiangdiang ka khat khandai tarik Nailur bat Kyntu ki contractor engineer ban pyndep no ya ki jingtrei hakapor ka biang ula ong bagi jingtrei kila jandep lut bat tangba iaid suki jai ula pynpaw ya ka jingsngewhun ya ka jingtrei baroh liang kajuh kapor ula Kyntu ya kito ki padon kti ban pynphieng ya ka ne ka Iingdorbar bakim dei ban klet ya kan Rong Jyrngam jong ka Mariang ula IT katanat cloud forest but katanat thung ding so horticulture ban pen itenat saudong jaka atat daki ding ba itenat bat daki ding so ban pentengen yakane ka jaka ula betharu ya ka art and culture ban pen itenat ya ki baranda ki kamera daki dur bat ki jingdro ba ithiang kat ba kila ban tare ya laki kti hakane ka Iingdorbar an pen I ya ka jingshat phalang jaka history jaka Meghalaya kabala kenjo shaka Pynphuh snam menta haka jingalang balengkot hadin bala pek sani ya baroh ki jingtrei Shongknor ulaya ro bat pynpaw ko jingsngewhun ya baroh ki baradon kti ban penno umsep ban pynphieng ya kani ka Iingdorbar Bathymmai Mawdiangdiang.
Today we had conducted a joint inspection of this ongoing Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building to review the progress of the work, and we find that the progress is good, though a little slow, but the progress is overall progress is very good. We are very satisfied. I have called various departments like the forest department and the horticultural department to see that the entire premises of this complex are made green as much as possible, because we require the green area, so we want to restore the green part as much as possible. So I have asked, we have asked the Department of Forest Department, Social Forestry wing, and the Horticulture Department also to jointly inspect and see what kind of greenery could be restored in this complex. So, number two, I have also asked the Art and Culture Department, since almost more than 90% works are completed as far as the right wing and the left wing is concerned. So we have asked the Art and Culture Department to design the interiors along the hallways, the corridors, and also the reception areas on the ground floor and on the reception areas of the first floor. So they will, in the first floor, they will try to enact a story of Meghalaya in the reception area of the assembly, and also in the ground floor they will try to put a story of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly over all these last 51 years. So these are basically the things, and the meeting was very successful, and I am very happy that I am getting the cooperation of all the various departments that are doing, especially the PWD department, their building department. They are doing a very, good job of ensuring the building is completed at the possible timeline, and also I would say they have been very active over all these years to ensure that there's no more accidents happen, as I would say, God forbid, and also the safety of the building is ensured.
This time you said you're not happy with the progress of the
yeah, there was yes,
so
there was
tell us now, sir.
Yeah, there was the workforce was not up to the mark. There were people here in the work site very less. Now sufficient workforce is there, and some more are coming, because this, as you can see behind me, the dome, the spire, which will be covering the main assembly hall. So it's being under construction. This kind of construction needs special expertise and special skilled people. So they are half of them are already on the way, and some more are coming by today. So from tomorrow or day after onwards, they can start full swing.
Okay, one final question. So, any timelines as to when this will be completed?
Yes, I would love to have it at the earliest possible. The earlier timeline that was given was September 30th. But as we can see, we are lagging behind that timeline. So maybe they will require 1 more month at the most, 1 more month.